So today I wanted to do a holiday makeup look, and I'm going to be using all cruelty-free Korean beauty products. So I asked YesStyle what are the cruelty-free Korean beauty products that they carry, and they sent me a list, so I got some so I could do a full face today. I haven't tried these, so I hope it works out. I already moisturized my face and everything, so now I have this blemish cover cushion by Cosrx, and I've actually used this once before. And I know they only carry like 3 shades or something. They have 23 in natural beige, and then I think they have 27. Yeah, 27, which is a darker shade. And I thought if 23 was too light, which I think it was last time I used it, which was a year ago, I would try maybe mixing it with 27. Actually don't know if this is gonna work out, but I thought we should just try. But besides the shade color, I actually really liked the cushion when I used it. This is what it looks like. Here's like the little cushion it comes with. And then you just open it. Very sanitary. Oh, this is what it looks like. And then this one is 23. Anyways, I know 27 is too dark, so I'm gonna try 23 first. Wait, this is actually a pretty good match. Maybe I've gotten a little lighter since last year. Also, I just pressed into the cushion once, and it is covering a lot of my face. I also picked out this Cosrx one because, well, first, I've used it before and I really liked it. Second, because I know it's for acne prone skin. You guys know I used to have a lot of acne, so I wanted to kind of pick out a good base cushion for that. I'm not used to my base looking this covered. As you guys know, I just swipe on a couple of strokes of concealer on my cheeks, and I use that with the brush to blend it all in, and it gives good coverage, but I feel like it mostly covers discoloration. But this is really nice. Okay, well, I guess I don't have to use number 27. Maybe I can give it to one of my friends or something. Okay, next I'm going to be using the KARADIUM flat eyebrow pencil, and I got it in black brown. It's just a pretty standard eyebrow pencil that you twist and the product comes out. Ooh, I really like this. I really like this because I don't have to press down too hard to get a lot of color, so I'm just lightly brushing it on. Okay, for my eyes, I have this. This is from Hamish. It's called the Daylism Eye Palette in Brick Brown. So it comes with a little brush, and then this is what the palette looks like. It still has the film over it, sorry. But I picked this one because it is just a very good everyday eye palette. So I think for the first color, I am going to go in with this one. It's kind of like this shimmery red. I'm just gonna take it on my finger. Ooh, that's so pretty. It's really nice. Anyways, for the next color, I'm going to be taking this super dark brown one right here. I'm just patting this on the outer parts of my eye. I don't know why I had really low expectations for this eyeshadow palette, but it's really good so far. On my vlog channel, I asked you guys, like, if any of you lived in Korea, what I guess your experiences with money were, because I want to move to Korea, not forever, just maybe for 3 to 6 months, and I want to know how much money I have to kind of live there and survive. I just want to see if it's reasonable, if it's a reasonable option for me, because I know a lot of you guys are saying, oh, you should teach in Korea, but the thing is, in terms of money, I don't want to spend that much money trying to get a TESOL certificate to teach in Korea, because I think the education in itself is from $2,000 to $3,000, and then it's not guaranteed if I'm actually going to get a job there and get placed where I want to be placed. And so I just feel like I don't want to invest that much money on something that isn't guaranteed. Right now, I need to use my money to pay off my student debt. I don't know if have I talked about that on here? So I'm still paying off my debt from college, and I'm pretty sure I'm almost done paying it off. I'm pretty sure I can do it by next year, but that's why I don't want to be pooling all the money I make right now into getting a certificate and then maybe not being able to do it or move next year and make enough money and blah blah blah. But anyways, I was thinking, just wanting to gather some information about how much I need to have to live there monthly, I guess. And some of you guys were talking about like the key deposit stuff, and I was wondering if you just had any more advice about that, because the key deposit is really high. I didn't realize that the deposits in Korea were so expensive compared to America. Oh, by the way, I'm just taking that same brown color. I'm just putting it on my lower lash line and then kind of lining it on my upper lash line. Because I'm actually kind of stressed out what I'm gonna do next year, because I'm not sure if I want to stay in San Francisco. Because the thing in my head is, if I don't move to Korea, I'm really thinking about moving to New York, and I might be doing that. Both of those things probably will be happening without Jimmy, and so I just really need to figure stuff out, because the lease here is up in April, so I just need to really start planning and stuff. I'm kind of stressed out about it, but I'm also kind of excited because honestly, I'm really dependent on Jimmy. I don't like to go places alone and stuff like that, and he's very independent. He likes to travel alone, and he's just not scared, whereas I have a big fear of traveling. We both agree that we've been together for a long time, and we've done long distance before for almost a year, but that was in college. And now that we're adults, I don't feel like an adult, but now that we're kind of we've been living together for a few years, we think it could be fun to kind of be apart from each other and have our own growing experiences and stuff. I know that kind of sounds weird to some people, like, why would you move apart when you love each other? Why wouldn't you just live together? It's kind of hard to explain unless you've been with someone for a really, really long time. I love him, and I definitely want us to live together and be together forever in the future and stuff. But right now, I don't feel like, I don't know, we're not married or anything. We don't have kids. I just want to do something young and spontaneous, I guess. And I really think I have to do something scary, because I'm just too comfortable, I think, and I'm too dependent on him. Like when we were traveling in Japan and Korea, he was the one navigating all the subways and taking us places, and I don't know, that reliance on him is kind of scary to me in itself. Like, I'm comfortable relying on him. Anyways, I don't know if that makes sense, and I think this would be a really great growing thing for me to not be so scared and timid about this kind of stuff. Anyways, that was not what I was trying to talk about. But if you guys have any useful tips or information, please let me know. Oh, by the way, I'm just taking this color from the Hamish palette right here, and it's just a nice kind of champagne color. I thought it'd be really nice on the inner corners and add a little sparkle to the look. I'm going to do my eyes, and I'm not going to curl my lashes because I did get a lash lift, and so they're still very floop. And I have this. This is the Hamish Daylism. Oh, it's the same kind of thing. They're both Daylism. Anyways, this is Smudge Stop Mascara. I really hope that I don't have to not blink for that long, because I don't want it to smudge. This thing does say smudge stop, so you shouldn't smudge. Okay, don't blink, don't blink. Ah. You guys, look at my lashes. They're so long. They look so pretty. Okay, I'm gonna blink now, okay? Wow. You guys, this mascara is so good. I mean, I'll definitely have to test it out whenever I don't have a lash lift and I have to curl and see if it holds the curl and stuff. But there's no transfer on top of my eyes and under my eyes. Okay, the eyes are done. I'm going to do the face now, and I have this. This is EG Lips Apple Fit Blusher. This is in number 9, Caramel Pink. So it looks like this. I really love this kind of shade of pink because I feel like it really shows up on my cheeks really well, but it doesn't look too cutesy rosy, if you know what I mean. By the way, I'm just doing a really classical holiday look. I really wanted to just focus on the fact that I'm using cruelty-free K-Beauty. I zoomed you guys back in because I forgot that I ordered this too. This is EG Lips Ultra Auto Gel Eyeliner, and I kind of wanted to try it out, but I already did my mascara. I'm just gonna use this to kind of darken the upper lash line area. Usually I just do this part with eyeshadow, but lately I've noticed that if I'm out for a really long time, the eyeshadow liner kind of doesn't stay. So I'm gonna try this. Lastly, I'm going to do my lips, and I have this one from NAKEUP Face. This is in C Cup Lip Tox-Tick number 1 Kiss Mark. You guys probably already know the color, but it's a very classic red. I'm pretty sure that this lipstick line is supposed to be, I think it's a lip plumper. I can't remember actually, but I think that's what this is supposed to be. But I'm just gonna tap it in because I don't want to swipe it on and then be like, whoa, that was too much. This is definitely the lip plumper. Whenever you put it on, you kind of feel a little bit of a, not tingly, but it feels like a mint kind of hit you in the lips. It's not uncomfortable at all, but you can definitely feel something is going on. I feel like this isn't as luxurious and holiday-y as I would like it to be in terms of color, but I think it works really well. So I'm gonna do my hair now, and a lot of you guys ask me how I do this particular hairstyle, so I'll kind of show you, but I'm gonna leave the link to the hair tutorial that I used. It's actually Hillary's. She did this wavy hair tutorial, and I just followed that. It's actually kind of funny because the first time I tried to do it, I looked ridiculous. She saw my hair was like, but I just had to practice a little bit more, and I finally got it. So while I'm waiting for my straightener to heat up, I wanted to show you guys some pieces of jewelry. So this video is sponsored by shop SweetPeeps, so thank you to them, and of course thank you to you guys for letting opportunities like this come to me. But they let me pick out some 4 pieces that I thought I would choose from to wear in this video. So I got a couple earrings, and these ones are really pretty. Okay, so these ones are called the Stella Stardust Mini Huggies, and they're just these tiny little earrings, hoop earrings, and then they have this little star charm under it. I thought this would be a really nice holiday touch to a really casual look, so I think I'm gonna go for these today. I also got another pair of earrings. These are for a more classy kind of look. I guess something you would wear to an event. So they look like this. These are the Amelia Gold Dipped Zirconia Stars and Chain Stud Earrings. I love how dainty these look, and these are also gold, and I think they would look really pretty if you had your hair up and you're wearing a really nice dress. I picked these out more because I wanted to wear it for date night. Me and Jimmy's 8-year anniversary is coming up, so I thought these would look really nice. Still need to pick out a dress though. This one is just a really simple gold heart necklace. This is called the Rachel Diamond Heart Choker. And I just picked this one out because I thought the charm was really cute. I love how small the heart is. I thought it'd just be a really nice accent piece to kind of a casual outfit. So I definitely think what I'm gonna wear today is this and this. I also picked out this necklace because it kind of reminded me of when I was younger and charm bracelets and anklets were super in. It's this one. This one is the Clara Sterling Silver Charm Necklace. Isn't this so cute? I really want a matching charm bracelet for this because it's so pretty. But if you guys want to purchase these pieces, I'm going to link them down below. I also have a discount code HANA20 for 20% off if you spend $50 or more. They're also doing a promotion right now. If you use the code RINGSFORDAYS, if you buy 2, then you can get 1 ring free. I am going to wear these earrings. I'm so excited. Oh my gosh, you guys, these earrings are so pretty. I really like them. I decided to go with the heart choker. I think it looks so pretty. It's exactly what I wanted for this look. Just really kind of minimal, small accents of jewelry. Okay, for my hair, I'm going to do the kind of wavy hairstyle that Hillary did, but I'll show you kind of how she explained it. So basically, standard procedure for when you curl, you section your hair off first, and then for each layer you do this. So you take some, and then you take your straightener and you kind of bend it forward. I do it a couple times at the top, and then you go down and you bend it the other way, and then you do it again, and then you just curl the end. So it kind of just looks like this. So you do that for all the layers, and then I'm gonna do that really quick, and then I'll come back when I get to the top, and then I'll show you how I do the top. Hello. Oh, it's been a little bit. This hairstyle honestly takes so long because you have to go like, I showed you this. So anyways, I am at the top of my head now because you do this part just a little bit differently. So I take some hair at the top, and then you kind of like push your hair like this to make a dip, and then you just heat it up with the straightener. So I kind of just like clamp onto it, and then I do it again like this. Wait, this. It's honestly like, this part is so hard for me. This is why it took me so long to learn how to do this. And then at the end, I just kind of curl like in, and then that's it. So it kind of looks like that. I don't know if you can see very well, but I just do that for the rest. I'll show you guys one more time because this part was the hardest part for me. Ta-da! Looks like this, like a little wave. Okay, I'm gonna do the rest of my head and I'll be right back. Anyways, guys, this is the finished look. I hope that you guys like it. I know it's just a really simple, classic look, but I thought it'd be fun that I used cruelty-free Korean beauty products. But anyways, I think that's it. I hope that you guys liked the video, and I will see you in the next one.